Oh, that looks like a nice road. Wow, that's beautiful mountains. That lake, beautiful. What? What's that? Oh my god. Taycan Turbo. Oh, nice. Okay. Snow, car, lake, mountains. Uh-huh. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Wow, that blue in the snow. Just loving it. Wow. Okay, let's go for a ride. It's open. Taycan Turbo. It's on. Bell. Click. Drive. We started here. Sport Plus. Okay. Clean. Good. Are you ready? Woohoo! Wow! That car! It's amazing! Wow, the power! It's incredible! That speed! Okay, you have to go slow. That's crazy. The handling is so great, even if it's cold, even if it's wet. Whoa, brake. It's a bit heavy. Wow, the speed. That's insane. The acceleration. Okay, let's try the acceleration. There is a mode I love in these cars. Brake on the foot, full brake, hold, full gas, launch control. Woohoo! Yeah, friend! Okay, that's crazy. This speed. Okay, more. Brake, brake, gas, launch control. Woohoo! Brake. Oh, I love that car. Whoa, that's fast, that's fast, that's fast. Brakes. Four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering. Oh god, that's insane. I love this car. Do you hear the noise? Did you hear that? There is two gears on this car. One for low speed, one for high speed. And when it's going from second to first, it's like there is an electronic downshift. That's crazy. And, okay, city. Okay, put it in normal range. Go slow. No panic. Okay, cities are. CD's out. Sport Plus. Yahoo! Okay, that's fun. Wow! You can go very fast with this car. This is insane. Turn. Stop. No one? Let's go. Oh, the speed! Already on the limits. Love that mod. Hey. Yes. You have to hear this from outside. The sound is also crazy from outside because there is some speakers back there. And it's making sound for people outside. So here the speed is 50. You can go back to normal mode and then activate all the assistance. Well, let's go to 50 and let it drive by itself. So it's very comfortable. You don't have to worry. Look, that's beautiful, all the ice. And it's 50. It's driving by itself, keeping the lanes, going at the right speed. The car is very comfortable. You have different modes, and in standard mode it's very comfortable. Like, you have different settings for suspension, and then here it's 70. You can increase the speed to 70. It goes to 70 and still same. No noise inside. It's a beautiful machine. The steering is so precise. And there is a difference when you put it in sport. It becomes like heavier here on the wheel. The suspension is now like harder to have a better handling. And if you go on the snow, you can go on the snow like this. You can turn off the PSM. And okay, let's try donuts. You think I can go this? Look how fun it is! I'm doing a donut with a Porsche Taycan.